Okay, so 84, what do I see? I see 3. I see x plus y, quantity squared. I see 1 plus that thing I'm not familiar with yet, which is dy dx. And then I see 2x. And I see a 4. I see dy dx. And they want me to solve for dy dx. So again, it's a literal equation. We're seeing this in it. It's like a new variable looking for that. And what I need to do is I realize on two different sides, I'm getting it to one side, but before I do that, I got to distribute. I got to distribute this thing here. Whoops, sorry about that. I got to distribute this thing here across those two terms. What do you get? 3 x plus y squared plus 3 x plus y squared dy dx. What do you get on the right side? 2x plus 4 dy dx. Again, someone says, what side do you want to get dy dx on? It really doesn't matter. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it on the left side. Let's write this over here. It's going to be 3x plus y squared. Whoops, made a mistake there. This is what I don't like about copying a lot. I actually prefer to type it, because typing I can do copy-paste. Then you get dy dx. This guy's done. I'm going to subtract this from both sides. So minus 4 dy dx equals 2x. And now I'm going to subtract this from both sides. It's going to be minus 3 x plus y quantity squared. I'm going to factor it now. What do I get? Be careful. 3 x plus y quantity squared minus 4. By the way, you may wonder why I'm not expanding things and trying to collect terms. It's not going to add anything to the problem. Not at this stage, because I'm actually just trying to find dy dx. What do you have here? 2x minus 3 x plus y quantity squared. What I'm going to do now, divide both sides by the thing's coefficient. Okay, point out what the thing is. This is the thing what we're looking for. We're going to divide both sides by the thing's coefficient, which is going to be 3 x plus y squared minus 4. And again, we'll look at the key later. And I want to encourage someone who's looking at the key. You might say, oh, it looks different. Well, maybe. Let's see what happens. What do you get here? You'll get dy dx on the left side. And on the right side, you can get 2x minus 3 x plus y squared. And on bottom, you get 3 x plus y quantity squared minus 4. Put a box in this. I'm going to say that's what I got. And I'm going to look at the key. And what number are we doing over here? 84. Let's take a look at it. And do I see it? And I got to turn the page. And let's see what I see over here. You know what? I'm seeing something different. And I want to point out, a lot of people get confused by that. And I want to tell you what they did. One day you do one thing, another day you do another thing. But if you multiply both top and bottom by minus 1, I'll write this down for you. I'm not going to change it. But it may make the answer look different to you. You get 3 x plus y quantity squared minus 2x. On bottom, you can get 4 minus 3 x plus y squared. I'm sorry, I did it again. Got to be more careful writing. This is also dy dx. It's another answer. It's an equivalent answer. I do not see any answer being better than the other, by the way. Let's go back to the red pen and see if we got that. I got the dy dx. I see this. I see this. I see this. And I, of course, see this over here. Again, I want to point out, even when I'm looking at the key, I still see that as being the answer in the key, by the way. I don't have to go to -1 over -1 to do that. Thank you.